Hello, people. On Netflix, there is this show called Midnight Diner. It's a Japanese show. There was another whole set of 10 episodes. It was called Midnight Diner Tokyo Stories. But this other Midnight Diner is all about it. It has 3 seasons, and each episode is just 20 minutes, 22 or 24 minutes long. And it's all about like the title says, midnight diner. So this certain diner, that diner as in a small eatery, like the cook is standing there and people form a semicircle around him and they are eating, these sort of restaurants. uh, Apparently, like, they are there in Japan. Here in India, I've not seen this kind of diner. India, the population is so much, we'll need one whole football field. But really, and keeping in mind the kind of situation, you can't even. The diner is a very intimate setting. So this particular show, you can watch it on Netflix, and since it's only 22 minutes long, जल्दी ख़त्म होता है. Like, it just, you can watch many of them, in so and I feel anyone wanting to learn a language like Japanese, watching such shows, hearing the language again and again, you begin to learn this language. So really, people, try and catch it. It's called Midnight Diner, and it's called Midnight Diner because apparently this diner is open from 12 in the night to 7 in the morning. And so the kind of people who visit the diner also are a whole spectrum, like from strippers to the mafia, and how each of their lives is, every episode is dedicated to one person's life, so it's it's quite an interesting concept and interesting show to watch. So Midnight Diner, and it's very soulful, like Japanese shows, and the music is also so soulful. Wow. So Midnight Diner it is, and you can watch it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.